Hello, good morning, students. Today we are discussing some numericals based on the Nernst equation. So in this Nernst equation, the first example here. The first example is in the button cell, Y division watches the other devices of the following reaction take place. Zinc react with the zinc oxide plus silver oxide plus water to form zinc ion and the silver atom and hydroxyl ion. Determine the delta G and E naught of the reaction. The zinc turns into the zinc ion. The electrode potential is 0.76 volt. The silver ions of silver oxide turns into silver atom and releasing hydroxyl ions. So in this reaction, let's calculate the electrode potential. Zinc oxidized to form zinc ion, silver reduced to form silver atom and releasing oxygen. So first we have to calculate the E naught of the cell. The E naught of cell is E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode. So cathode is the silver oxide, turns into silver. E naught of anode is the zinc, turns into zinc ions. So 0.34 and the 0. minus 0.76. Then we got the E naught value is E naught cell value is the 1.104, and the delta G naught R minus NF E naught cell. Number of electrons are transferred from zinc to silver. 2 electrons are transferred. That's why we had to use here N value is 2. Faraday value is 96500. The E naught cell value is 1.104. Then we got the delta G value minus 2.13 joule. Right, students? This is our first example. Okay, next how to solve the second examples. So in this second example, calculate potential of the hydrogen whose pH is 10. The solution contains hydrogen ion concentration pH 10. The pH value in the last year equilibrium chapter we have discussed that negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. So pH value 10 means the 10 to the power of minus 10. This is what discussed in last year. And the hydrogen ion electrode potential is E naught of hydrogen ion by hydrogen gas is 0 volt. It is a standard SHE value. Standard SHE value. Right, students? SHE value. Next, E naught cell is equal. We have to find out 0. E cell is equal to E naught cell 0.592 by N log product by reactant. The E hydrogen concentration by hydrogen, E naught of hydrogen concentration by hydrogen, and the number of electron transfer here 1 electron, so that's why we written here 1. 0.0592 by 1 log hydrogen and gas, this is a product, and the hydrogen ion reactant. So we know that the E naught cell value is 0 here. This is the SHE value, that is 0, and the 0.0592 by 1 log 1 by pH. 0 minus 0.0592 by 1 log 1 by 10 to the power of minus 10. Then again we are calculating this one. We got the log 10, this value here, this log 10, multiply with this one, we got the 0.592. This is the second example answer, students. The electrode potential value of the pH 10 of the solution whose electrode potential is 0.592. Third one, zinc anode product, cathode product, cathode. This already we have discussed. And what is the cell potential of the cell? Zinc or turns into zinc ion, liberate 2 electrons. Lead ion accept 2 electron to form lead atom, accept 2 electron. So it means the n value is 2. N value is 2 here. Next we have to find out E cell and E naught cell. E cell and E naught cell. First you have to find the E naught cell. E naught cell is equal to the lead ion by lead minus zinc ion by zinc. Lead ion value is 0.12, zinc ion value is minus 0.76. Then we got the answer is the E cell value is the 0.64. Right, students? 0.64. So this 0.64 we have to value put here in this reaction. We have to put here in this reaction, and the 2 electrons are transferred here, and the zinc ion by lead ion concentration you determined. You got the E cell value is the 0.63. Right, students? Okay, one of the last example, students. Calculate the cell potential at 298 Kelvin. Zinc plus tin ion turns into zinc ion. Zinc turns into zinc ion. Tin plus 4 concentration turns into plus 2 concentration. Here tin is plus 4 concentration, and here it is plus 2 concentration. So E naught of zinc by zinc ion is equal to minus 0.76. E naught of tin ion by tin, that is 0.13 volt. The tin concentration 1.5 molarity. Tin plus 2 concentration is 0.5 molarity. So we have to find E naught cell. The E naught cell is equal to E naught of tin ions, E naught of zinc ions. The tin ion 0.13, lead ion, the zinc ion is 0.76. We got the E naught value is 0.89. So E cell is equal to E naught cell 0.0592 by n log tin plus 2 concentration by tin plus 4 concentration. Right, students? So here the 0.098, the E naught cell we got here, and 0.0592 by n. N means that 2 electrons are transferred here. That's why it reduced. 2 electrons are transferred. 2 electrons are accepted by the tin. That's why the plus 2 concentration. Right, students? Next, the 0.5 divided by the 1.5 concentration, we got 33.33. In which the 33 in which you may go for the third column. The log table 33 which you may go for the third column, and mean difference also 3. Then we got the value is 5.228. 5.228. So why we are using here 1? 1 because if the while determine the log, if is point before 1 0 is there, 0 is there, then we have to substitute the value is 1. We have to substitute here value. Then the answer is the 1.31 volt, 1.31 volt. Right students? So this is the answer students. Right? I will give some example you have to solve in your house students. Okay, thank you.